Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the basics. Use the native resolution cable and a powered monitor. Once connected, set your computer's display to the monitor's native resolution because that determines sharpness and size. If you're on Windows, open Display Settings. On Mac OS, open Displays. Make sure scaling is set to 100% or recommended. While you do this, close apps that change DPI or force full screen. These first steps align software and hardware, so adjustments later will behave predictably. Now you adjust size precisely. Start by changing scaling to 100% or the next preset. This controls UI and text size. Once done, tweak resolution one step above or below native to evaluate display area without too much blur, because some apps benefit from non-native settings temporarily. Next, use the monitor's OSD to fine-tune image size and position if edges are cut off. Make sure aspect ratio is set to the correct 16:9 or monitor-prescribed ratio, so shapes remain natural. Finish by locking in your chosen settings and testing them with different apps and full-screen video, because real-world content reveals problems. If text or edges appear fuzzy, revert to native resolution and then adjust clear type or font smoothing, since smoothing can fix blur without changing size. If problems persist, update GPU drivers, swap to a higher bandwidth cable, or try another port. These fixes resolve scaling and timing mismatches. Finally, reboot and recheck. If still off, contact support with model and resolution details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.